Hey, what's up, guys? It's your friendly neighborhood Robloxers. Just doing some village zombie stopping hunting majigs. Who knows what I'm gonna call it later. I'm just gonna come up with like some sort of motto, catchphrase. Oh, I wish I didn't use my sword to cut down wheat now. Go. Screw you, stupid freaking skeleton. Now, which way was it? Okay, here's the desert. I don't see how they have so good of an aimbot, though. Yeah, there's my mini house. I'm still working on it. Gotta go pee pretty bad, but I'll just hold it till the rest of the video. We have officially reached a minute. Or at least 9 seconds ago. Oh, okay. Yes, I think that's the one that killed me. Oh, dang it, he found me. Okay, well, there's an arrow. Can't come in, can he? Yeah, I already found a diamond from the blacksmith. That's no gold. Oh. Okay. Somebody wants to play. Axes are just as useful as swords. I'm just looking for a way to... Yeah, I already got all the wheat here. I just don't understand the random water. Oh, some sugar cane. The villages are the best place for supplies. Okay, I'll just mark them down on the map so I remember where they are. Yeah, this is a new texture pack for the Xbox. It's like realistic, I think it's called. I just can't remember. Gotta go pee, Okay. I know there's a skeleton right behind me. See if... Yeah, my little... Hey, some of my trees grew. Oh, you know. I've only found one sheep so far. Ah. Back to the drawing boards. Okay. Little furnace right here, so if I need to. Yeah, I already got my iron helmets. And the chest's pretty good. So, might as well just place some more wheat there. I don't use oak trees. And that diamond's definitely going in there. Oh, some spruce wood. I can use some of that. You know, it's had any left. Oh, okay, that's... I need this. Yeah, I'm not digging down where that wood plank is. It's just not going to work out that way. If anyone asks you, never dig up that wood plank. I think we all understand. 11, 12. Nope, 12. Okay, I'll just worry about it later. There's some spawn thingy under that wood plank. Oh, it's my lovely friend Ender. What's up, homie? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm making a pickaxe and regular axe. Yeah, I see the skeleton. sticks. Give me. Oh my god! Always interrupting my videos. What, Mom? Not yet. Fine. Okay, see you next time, guys. Because my mom's being